Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to my channel, East Tennessee Railway. Today I'm here in Bluff City. We're waiting on another 13Z train. I just got 13Z yesterday in Johnson City, and as I mentioned in that video, these 13Z and the 14Z are primarily municipal waste trains. However, the one yesterday didn't have any trash on it, but I've got reports that this one's got a bunch of trash, and I hear it coming now. Should have Norfolk Southern black and whites leading it. Shout out to Jason at train 111 for the info on this one. Trash on this one. Those are all full of municipal waste out of New York. I can actually I'm starting to smell them now because I am getting some wind off of it. Some ethanol, some mixed manifest, some drainers, boxcars, hoppers. Seen that old covered coal car there. I've seen that thing a bunch of times up and down the A line, both of those actually. I hear a DPU. Everybody, there she goes. That's Norfolk Southern 13Z. I had been over in Bristol playing some putt-putt with my family. I won. I scored one under par. So anyways, that was 13Z. I appreciate all you guys watching, tuning into my channel. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. East Tennessee Railway. Thank you for watching.